Well, the turkeys have found the house. So I guess the quiet days of coffee on the porch are over. Now the chickens are going to be soon to follow it. Our house is down there, not on the porch. What y'all doing, turkeys? Y'all need to get back down in the chicken pen. It's entirely making yourself at home too much here. You sound like you got a doggy down there. Is that why y'all are up here? We need to go make a check. All right, turkey, get up. Get up. You ain't gonna start sleeping on the porch now. Go on. Go on. Get up. You ain't gonna start staying on the porch. Thanks, guys. Farm animals.